Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shamim Hossain and today I am excited to share the progress on my CS50 Web Project, a social network site. In this video, I will go through the key features of the site, including new post creation, all posts display, user profile, following, pagination, and the ability to edit and like posts. Let's log in. After logged in, we can see all posts from all users. Clicking on the all post link in the navigation bar also takes us to this page. Here, posts are displayed in a reverse chronological order, showing the username, post content, date and time of the post, and the number of likes. Next, we have the user profile page. Clicking on a neighbor username loads own profile, displaying the number of followers and following. The page showcases all posts by that user. If we are viewing another user profile, a follow or unfollow button will show. You can see clicking follow and unfollow button, not load entire page, and update the following number. The following link in the navigation bar takes you to a page displaying posts from user you follow. This page behaves similarly like all post page, but with a more limited set of posts. Remember, this page is only accessible to signed in users. To enhance user experience, pagination is also implemented. Only test posts are displayed per page with next and previous buttons, allowing navigation through older and newer posts. Now let's explore new post features. Users who are signed in can easily share their thoughts by typing into a text area and submitting the post. Now let's post something. You can see post successfully created and auto-updated the latest post. Users can edit their post by clicking the edit button. The post content is showed with a bootstrap model in the text area. And using JavaScript, the content can be edited without reloading the entire page. Lastly, user can like or unlike by clicking a like button. This is update post like count without a full page reload. And there you have it, a brief overview of the key features in my CS50 Web Project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.